Hi students of class 2. Today we will do one revision, oral revision of chapter 1 question answer. Okay, that we have done in the computer CW copy, that we will do orally today. So you can go through the video and just listen to the answers and memorize the answers. So let's start the class. Everyone get ready with the computer CW copy. Okay. The first question that we have done on chapter 1 is, how is the computer different from us? And we have to mention 2 points about it. So how is the computer different from us? The computer never forgets anything, but we humans can forget sometimes something. A computer can store a lot of data, but we can store only little amount of thing on our mind, or rather for that we forget some of the things when we start learning the new things. We get tired, but the computer never get tired or bored. After working, we need some rest. Machines actually don't need rest, rather we need to switch them off, so that this resting part is there. But especially as we humans, after doing some work, always get tired and need some rest. Like that, a computer rather, do not need that kind of rest. So this is the main difference between the computer and we humans. Okay, I'm repeating the answer once again. We forget many things, but computer never forget anything. It can store a lot of data inside it, and it never gets tired or bored, as we people get tired or bored after working for some time. Next, what is meant by processing? The CPU works on the data and does all the calculations. This method is called processing. So whenever the computer is working on the data that has been given to it and doing all the calculations, this process is called processing. Okay. Next, what are the 3 steps of IPO cycle? Itself, the IPO cycle refers to input, process, output cycle. So IPO cycle, the 3 steps are input, process and output. Next, name one device used to input data in the computer. So the input devices through which we give input to the computer. Keyboard and mouse is the answer. Keyboard or mouse. Next, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. We know it is made up of different electronic parts, and it needs data and instruction to do some work. These things we need. That means, what is computer? Once again, tell the answer with me. A computer is an electronic device. It is made up of different electronic parts. It needs data and instruction to do some work. Okay. What is output? The result obtained after processing is called output. So whatever result we get after the processing is called output. Next is, okay, next question is, name one output device. The output device are monitor or printer. Any one name you can memorize. Monitor or printer. Okay. Next, what are the advantages of using a computer? What are the advantages? For making presentation, for doing different calculations, for teaching in schools and colleges, we get the advantage of the computer. So what are the things? For making presentation, for doing calculation, and for teaching in schools and colleges, we get the advantage of using the computer. Okay. Next, what are the disadvantages of using a computer? Now let us learn the disadvantages. Working on the computer for a long time can cause the health problem. Okay, now whenever you are sitting and working in the computer for 8 or 9 hours, it makes a very bad health problem. It makes pain on the back, it makes our headache. This kind of problem happens. Computers are attacked by virus, and this may cause loss of data. Okay, another thing, many people misuse the computer to harm other people. These are all the disadvantages of using the computer. What do you mean by IPO cycle? What do you mean by this IPO cycle? IPO cycle means taking in data through input devices and giving out the result through output devices after processing. So this IPO cycle consists of 3 steps we know: input, process, output. First, the computer take the input, then they process the input, and finally they give the output. So how the answer we will write? IPO cycle means taking in data through input devices and giving out the result through the output devices after processing. Next, one fill in the blanks also we have done from the chapter. A computer needs dash and dash to do some work. They need data and instruction to do some work. Okay, now these are all the question answers that we have done from chapter 1. Now I think everyone will go through the video and revise the question answers as we have done today. But oral revision, after doing it, please practice writing of the answers in the copy so that you can learn whatever spellings you are doing wrong, and after that again you can learn those spellings. Okay, so stay at home, do your learning part, and if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. And please stay healthy, stay home, study at home, and bye bye.